Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix Roblox installer not working or not launching on your Windows PC. So let me show you how to do it. For that, first what you have to do is just open your web browser and just click on these three dots, and here just click on settings, and here click on privacy and security, and just go down. There you can see third party cookies, just click on it, and here just go down, and you can see all site and data permissions, just click on it, and here in the search box just type Roblox, and you can see roblox.com, just delete, and this also just delete. After that just click on start menu and search for run, and here type percentage local app data percentage, hit enter. It will open local app data folder. Here just find for temp folder, just click on open, and here find Roblox, you can see it, just select and delete. After that just go back to local folder, and here you can see Roblox folder, just select and delete. Okay, after that just open your web browser, go to roblox.com/download, hit enter. Okay, here just click on download Windows app, and now the Roblox player installer is downloaded. After that click on it. Okay, now the Roblox is started installing. Now the Roblox player is installed on your computer. After that, before opening the Roblox player, just right click on it, click on properties, and here just click on compatibility tab, and here just check these options, disable full screen optimizations, and check this also, run this program as an administrator, click apply, click OK. After that just try to open Roblox player, click yes. Okay, here you can log in with your user account. After that you can try to play any of the games, try to open any of the games. Now you can see it's open without any error. That's it. If this method not working for you, just right click on Roblox player and click on open file location, and here just click on Roblox player launcher, just double click on it, you can see it's configuring and installing the Roblox player, and you can see Roblox is successfully installed. After that, you can try to play one of the games on your Roblox. It will be okay. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped for you, hit like and share, and subscribe for future videos.